Manila Zoo. Manila Zoo, I appreciate the answer of Mayor Lacuna. My proposal was made because of a deep-seated concern for animals living in an unnatural habitat which would need protection, and the Philippines has been signatories to various laws concerning animals. So that's why I propose the transfer of the Manila Zoo to the Masugi Geo Reserve. And I heard that Mayor Hani Lacuna reacted that probably transferring it to Masugi would entail additional expenses for those who would want to visit the Manila Zoo. Malapit na po matapos yung LRT natin papuntang Masinag sa Antipolo. And with all due respect, kahit naman saan malipat yung Manila Zoo pa rin ang pangalan. Meron po tayong 23 hectares property ang Maynila sa Marikina. Ang tawag po doon hanggang ngayon, in-established in 1938 ni Mayor Arsenio Lacson, ang tawag pa hanggang ngayon ay Manila Boys Town. At yun po ay pinatatakbo ng Manila City Hall. There's no difference with the nomenclature. Sa akin lang, maalagaan din po yung mga hayop natin at mga flora and fauna na nandoon sa loob ng 5.5 hectare congested, polluted area somewhere in Malate. Wala namang masama dun sa recommendation kasi wala nang ibang lugar. And I think the Masugi issue is still pending before the appropriate Senate committee kung sino talaga magpapatakbo nun.